Most high net worth investors have been told the same thing for decades: diversify your assets and you'll be fine. But as we've seen again and again in 2000, in 2008, in 2020, 2022, traditional diversification just isn't enough. And when markets fall, everything falls together. And if your portfolio doesn't produce cash flow, it doesn't matter how diversified you are, you're still dependent on that paycheck. Today, I want to show you a different way to think about diversification, a more modern way, a more effective way, one that integrates real estate, stocks for growth and income, hard and crypto assets, business or private investment assets, and one that ultimately leads to predictable weekly income, earlier retirement, and total lifestyle freedom. Most investors believe that diversification means holding a bunch of different assets and assuming that that spreads out risk. But let me ask you something. If everything in your portfolio goes down at the same time, were you ever really diversified in the first place? Here's the problem. During major downturns, correlations spike, stocks fall, bonds fall, crypto falls, even real estate can stall or pull back too. The traditional model depends on one thing: assets appreciating. And that means your entire retirement plan is dependent on the market behaving the way you hope it will. And hope is not a strategy. I always say that because especially if you're between 45 and 64 and you're thinking about retirement on a timetable, hope is just not the way to do it. And diversification across assets is not the same as the diversification across income streams. Now, most high net worth investors think that they're diversified, but almost none of them are diversified in how they get paid. Today, I want to introduce a more advanced framework for diversification, one that high net worth investors understand intuitively once it's explained clearly. And we call it the 4 wealth buckets. This is how sophisticated families, institutions, ultra wealthy individuals protect and grow capital. And it's how you can create a safer, a more predictable income from a diversified foundation. So bucket number 1 is real estate. Real estate is the first major asset class that most affluent investors adopt. Why? Tangibility, inflation protection, potential for leverage, long-term appreciation, some cash flow. But here's the reality. Most investors, well, they think that they're getting cash flow, but after taxes, maintenance, vacancies, financing costs, the income is often minimal. And real estate is fantastic for stability, but it's just not necessarily fantastic the cash flow that you can rely on weekly or monthly. Real estate does play a role, but it cannot be your retirement income engine all by itself. The second bucket is stocks for growth and income. And this is where most people default to buy and hold. But buy and hold does not produce cash flow. It produces a hope that one day, someday, maybe, the market will rise enough to fund your lifestyle. And even if it does rise, you're forced to sell shares to create income. Now, one thing I always tell people is that, inflation is rising a lot faster than they tell you, right? They say that it's rising 2 or 3%. But I can tell you, if you go to the store, your goods are not up 2 or 3%. In fact, I did a little study a couple of years ago that over the last 5 years, it's gone up about 11.1% a year. So if you're not at least getting 11.1%, well, in terms of purchasing power, you're kind of going backwards. And so that's why income is important, but you have to make sure that your income is high enough to offset some of those inflationary pressures. So selling shares in retirement of some of those buy and hold investment, the fastest way to run out of money, especially during those down years. And this is where covered calls come in. So it's the same stocks, it's the same assets, but now they produce weekly or even monthly income without having to sell anything. Covered calls turn your stock portfolio into a rental property, basically. You collect rent every week or every month. You own the underlying asset. You get paid whether the price goes up, down, or sideways. This is the biggest misunderstanding in all of retirement planning. You don't need new assets. You need a new strategy for the assets you already own. Covered calls belong in the diversification framework because they create income, they create stability, they create volatility control, and a smoother portfolio ride, right? They also create some more retirement certainty. No other stock-based strategy does this as predictably. Now, the third bucket is hard assets and crypto. Think of this bucket kind of like insurance: gold, metals, Bitcoin, collectibles. These are stores of value, not income assets. They protect you in two key scenarios. The first one, and I touched on it a minute ago, is currency debasement, that inflation I mentioned. The second one is systemic financial risks. The wealthy use hard assets to defend against the unknowns. But again, they don't pay you. You hold them for security and not for retirement income. And that leads us to bucket number 4, business ownership and private investments. This is where wealthy people often really build their fortunes. They have equity in their own business. They have equity in partnerships, private lending, private equity, venture capital investments. And the upside can be enormous, but it comes with complexity. It comes with risk, and it comes with a lot longer time horizon. And this bucket is fantastic for growth, but not for weekly or monthly income that you can depend on. Here's the real problem. Income diversification is missing. So now that you've seen the 4 buckets, here is the uncomfortable truth. Most high net worth investors are diversified in assets, but almost none are diversified in income. Sure, they might have rental income, they might have dividends, maybe even business distributions, but these are inconsistent. They're unpredictable. They're irregular, right? And none of them produce income every single week the way a business would. The cash flow machine fills that gap. It gives your stock portfolio a purpose beyond just hoping that it grows. It becomes a reliable, repeatable, rules-based, predictable income engine. And this is the missing link in modern diversification. So let's bring it all together. When your portfolio is diversified across stability, growth, protection, and weekly income, now your retirement becomes dramatically safer. The wealthy don't diversify to brag about holdings. They diversify to protect their lifestyle. Is the most important form of diversification that there is. Covered call income is not about trading. It's really more about engineering your freedom. It allows you to retire earlier, stress less, smooth portfolio volatility, reduce dependence on the market, and it allows you to live with lifestyle flexibility. When your portfolio pays you every week, you stop being a spectator. You start being in control of your retirement destiny. In the next video, we're going to show you how to take this diversified framework and build a full portfolio structure that not only protects your wealth, but pays you every single week. And this is where the cash flow machine becomes the central piece of an intelligent, modern wealth strategy. If you want to go deeper, we walk through this process step by step inside of our programs, helping investors create safer, predictable income so that they can retire with confidence and freedom.